Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit those post notifications. So yeah, now let's get started. So we're going to be showing our fidgets, my fidgets today, and my brother's, but he's not here. So first thing we're going to show is my poppet. It's really cool. Like, I love my poppet. What the frick? I'm sorry for the background, but yeah, do you like my nails, guys? Needle in the bed, gonna get you out of my head. Needle in the bed, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the bed, I do TikTok dance, guys. I have a TikTok account. I got slime on my shirt. I have a timer, but yeah. Do you like it? My poppet? It's really cool. And then I got my Minion squishy. I love my Minion squishy. My brother has his channel. His channel is called Braden BMT. Make sure you go see that. And his face is like this. Yeah, so yeah, go subscribe to him. Please get me to 2 million, guys, please. And get me to 2 million. I want me to get to 2 million, and my brother wants to get to 2 million. Needle in the back, wind up dead. Needle in the back, wind up dead. I'm itchy, guys. Right here, I'm itchy. I don't know why I'm itchy. I'm so itchy. I'm so itchy. I don't know why I'm so itchy today. So I love this squishy. Okay, my DIY squishy. Get a balloon, guys. Get a balloon, okay? Put some slime in it. You don't have to, just a little bit. Tie it, okay? And now you made your squishy. Well, I blown it up a little. So. I can't blow it up because of this. I really love this squishy. It's my favorite stretch ball. It touches stress and it relieves stress, everybody. Sometimes I do that, but it doesn't pop. I'm not going to show all my fidgets. I'm not going to get my mini poppet right now because I have a mini poppet. And also I have my slime, but I don't know where that is. Okay, moving on to my brother's stuff. My brother has this slime, this green slime. Talk, talk. There's my doggy. Talk, talk. What are you doing? Needle in the bed, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the bed, gonna wind up dead. This is the song in my head. This is my brother's slime. I got it from Family Dollar, so to Family Dollar and buy this. And then I got also this from Family Dollar, my kinetic sand. Guys, you like it? You don't like it? It's really cool. I love kinetic sand, but it's really messy when I get sick kinetic sand, guys. And then my brother's poppet. He has a big squid poppet. Want to hear the loud side, guys? Okay. Here's the loud side. get you out of my head. That's my brother's puppet. Then he has his controller puppet. It's really hard to like do it on pop it on the quiet side. It's like super hard because if my brother was trading this, he would scam somebody because this is really hard to pop. But the quiet side is not. Want to hear the quiet side? The quiet side, I mean, the loud side is easy to pop, but not the quiet side, guys. And here is his puppet bracelet. I have a puppet bracelet, but I'm not getting that. That's the end of the video, guys. So yeah, peace out, girl fam. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Peace out, girl fam.